combine brown sugar, bourbon, honey, orange juice, Dijon mustard, cloves, and cayenne. Why bourbon in the glaze? Bourbon's big vanilla, caramel, and oaky flavors partner impeccably well with the brown sugar, honey, orange juice, and pecans. Simmer for 6 to 8 minutes to meld the sweet and savory flavors. Stir in the chopped pecans and set aside. Next, line a roasting pan with aluminum foil and set a rack inside the pan. The foil makes cleanup easier. Set the ham on the rack in the roasting pan and cover with foil and bake at 325 for 1.5 hours. Uncover the ham and brush with half of the pecan glaze and bake at 350, uncovered, for 15 minutes. Brush the remaining glaze on the ham and bake for an additional 15 minutes or until the pecans are golden. Transfer to a plate and serve the gorgeous ham with orange slices and whole pecans for garnish.